Hi, so I'm doing something very exciting today. Thought I'd bring you along. I am hosting interviews on live television for DriftCon. I get to interview all of the pro drivers. Pretty exciting stuff. I'm really nervous because I haven't been following any of the drivers this year, so I know going into this basically knowing nothing and winging it. They said they were gonna give me questions to ask when I'm gonna be on trackside, live TV. Very nervous, very excited though. It should be fun. I'm also bringing along with me, it's ShootaTime. He made top 3 for phase 1. It should be fun. We should have a good time. He's like 10 minutes out right now. Let's go warm my car up and we'll go say hi to him. Say hi.
Are we vlogging?
Yeah, kind of.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the big vlog. We're out here in this beautiful parking garage right now. We're about to go to DriftCon. Let's go.
Yes, sir.
Let's go, let's go. Oh, we're vlogging.
Oh, we're vlogging.
I thought it was a video.
No, well, it is a video.
We are in Monroe as we speak. We're eating Safeway's version of Panda Express. Honestly, I think they literally took the food from Panda Express and brought it into Safeway. It tastes the same, but we're vibing. Great day out. It's supposed to rain. Not anymore. It's all sunny.
Yeah, it's 75 currently, so hopefully it stays that way.
I'm in 3 layers.
Yep, so we're in Monroe. We have to go into the Speedway and get our passes, and then that's pretty much it. Hopefully it's not a pain in the butt. Usually it is, but hopefully it isn't, so. All right, wouldn't be DriftCon without issues. We got wristbands, so we're all set to go. Flirted with the front gate guy to let us in. It works every time, so. No, but yeah, he was hitting on me. He hugged me. They just didn't put our names back there because it's crazy and busy, but we're about to head in, go park and everything, and we will check back in a little bit.
Yo. Is this B-roll?
This is B-roll or whatever it wants to be. So right now we have like an hour or so to go hang out. I bought a t-shirt because it's like 75 degrees and we're just absolutely both. It's sweaty, it's hot. Just gonna hang out, watch the car show, maybe go talk to a few people if I see some people I know. But other than that, we're just vibing right now. Just straight vibes. Sir, how are you feeling about DriftCon today?
Oh, DriftCon's looking great today, man. It's first time out here. We're absolutely vibing. I love motorsports. We love getting it sideways out here. You know, very nice.
Very nice, like.
Very nice.
Where's Shredders? Is he here today?
Shredder's not here, my dude. We might have to go take a couple of seltzers over there and we might see a different person.
Okay, we'll check back in later and see if Shredder's around. We snuck onto the track.
We're on the track.
We're on the track.
We're rebels.
No, but we are going over to, I think we're stationed where we're doing interviews. We're excited. Are you excited?
I'm very nice already. We get 100 subs right now. I'll run on this track naked.
You'll streak?
I'll streak.
You'll streak for the subs?
Yep.
Yes, sir.
This YouTube vlog gets 100 likes. I'm streaking.
Streaking. We'll shoot a Skeeter
time. Goddamn Skeeter time, goddamn it. Yeah, Shredder's not out yet, dude.
We need to bring Shredder out.
I need to go to the pit stop over there real quick.
Big fire on the track.
Very nice content.
Content. So that was in the finals. He crashed against the wall pretty good. I'll see if I can get any footage from it so I can show you guys. They did a really good job though. Small fire in the car, so they just put that out. They're just getting him off the track right now, so. We forgot to say goodbye to Shoota. He left. He slept like the whole way home. Jealous. I'm so tired. You can literally see my under my back, but I'm in the elevator going home. Alright, I'm home. Rolf says hello. That is gonna conclude the vlog for today. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, guys. I really like doing these, so I hope you stick around and support my content. I'm doing vlogs. This whole guy wants to go outside, so I'm gonna take him out. I've been gone all day, but have a good day, guys. Bye. See you next time.